Programmatically determine if an script is being executed on laptop or desktop. Is there any reliable way to determine, programmatically, from within a bash script if it is being executed on a laptop or a desktop computer? I could obviously just prompt the user to ask them, but that is pretty clunky.
Debian solution. To find whether a machine running Debian is a laptop, try. This approach does not require root privileges. On other distributions, however, this directory seems to exist, at least in skeleton form, regardless of whether or not there is a battery. From the comments below, these distributions include CentOS, Ubuntu, and the Ubuntu-derived distribution of Linux Mint. More general solution. Although it does not work on my Debian systems, the solution proposed by Alex reportedly works on Ubuntu and CentOS. Thus suggests, for greater generality, a possible combined solution. This approach does not require root privileges. More details. On a Debian system with an actual battery, the /sys/module/battery directory contains many files. One such file is which contains the text live. On Ubuntu, however, these files do not exist even on actual laptops. Thus, it appears that the presence of the file can be used to test for a laptop running Debian. On Debian systems that I tested, by contrast, the /proc/acpi/battery directory did not exist.
I'd check if the computer has a battery installed. And the following is one way to test.
Looking at whether or not the system has a battery is not reliable. A UPS connected to the system, not just for power, but over USB as well for automatic shutdown and battery monitoring, may show up as a battery. There is a nice reliable way, however. On a laptop, this will return one of laptop, notebook, portable, or sub-notebook, depending on what the manufacturer coded into the BIOS. There is a full list of possible values at identifying the chassis type of a computer in the Windows 2000 scripting guide. Don't worry about it being a Microsoft TechNet page. This is not OS specific. Code can also get information about the hardware manufacturer, system serial number, sometimes, etc.
To avoid using sudo, you can read the contents of which will return the decimal value of the chassis type. The meaning of the values can be seen in official documentation PDFs available at this URL. The following table includes the information for SMIOS specification version 3.5.0, the 22nd of September 2021.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.